lovers in the night. Poets trying to write. We don't know how to write.